there! After the video, please make sure to visit our sponsor, theclickengine.net. The ClickEngine service will send super high-quality clicks to your affiliate links on autopilot every single month. Go to theclickengine.net and see the customer success stories for yourself. Thanks. Now enjoy the video.
Yo, what is good, learning machines? So I'm going to give you guys 3 of the biggest affiliate marketing mistakes to avoid right here. Like in affiliate marketing, most people don't find success with it, mainly because they don't pick the right strategy. But there's a lot of elements to this, but I'm going to give you the top 3 elements to why people fail with affiliate marketing. So here we go. The first reason why people fail with affiliate marketing, and by the way, the potential you can make affiliate marketing is endless. Like, you can literally make passive income for the rest of your life. Like, I make 6 figures per month just doing affiliate marketing. Well, it's called CPA marketing mainly, but it's affiliate marketing as well. But for the past 2 years, I've been making money with CPA marketing and affiliate marketing, and so I'm qualified to give you this advice right here. And this advice is very important. So the first mistake people make is the freaking offer. So the offer is so essential because let's say you pick an offer that pays out you a few bucks. Like in CPA marketing, what I do with sweepstakes and stuff, I collect people's lead information, like their email and all that information, contact info, their name, address, all that. And the company collects it, the company resells the data and all this stuff and makes money. Now, how I make money doing that is I have a whole cash cow YouTube channel set up that passively gets views and gets people sent to these offers. I also have a massive email list I also have grown over time and every day that collects emails, and I can email blast to my list new offers all the time. That's how I crush it with affiliate marketing. I find new great offers to promote to that huge list of hundreds and thousands of people in the list. I do it whenever I want, but I do it like once a week for the email blasts. Even sometimes I'll do it every 2 weeks. I just don't really care about it that much, and I try to make sure that I'm picking really, really good offers to promote, okay? But yeah, the offer is so important. So how do you pick a good offer? You know it's a good offer based off if sometimes the networks that you can get offers from don't say the EPC, but if it has a high earnings per click on average, the EPC across the network of all affiliates, then it's a good offer. That's one way to tell. Also, it has high conversion rates. Sometimes the network will tell you if it has high conversion rates, it'll tell you how much the conversion rate is. And all conversion rates are different. But for the offer, if it's really high, it's good. It lets you know it's a good offer. But you can just know. And you can think of a whole marketing plan and everything behind it. Once you see an offer, you can kind of think, okay, how would I promote this? And I swear, one of the best ways to promote affiliate offers and CPA marketing offers in this world is by far making content. Okay, so all of online, even ads, it's all content. So if you make content and promote an offer or many offers, you're going to make money. It's about doing it correctly and getting better and better at it over time. And there is no limit to how high end you can go with content. I'm not just talking about camera quality. I'm talking about what you do inside the videos. If it's in real life type videos, if it's gaming videos, if it's recording your screen, or if it's just talking head video or anything, or vlogging. There's really high end you can go, or very basic you can go. And all of it makes money. And that's why doing it is so important. Just do it, bro. Just do it! Super duper important. So picking an offer is super key. And I highly recommend for a beginner, either do this, pick a recurring offer or pick a high ticket offer or product or service to promote. And every single time a sale happens or conversion happens, you get paid a commission or a percentage, okay? So that's how you make money in the first place, is picking a good offer. And I really don't recommend just one offer unless it's just insanely good and just want to focus on that. But it's always good to have more than one offer because it's a value ladder. Someone gets value here, they want more, they're going to go to whatever offers you recommend. And if you're just doing affiliate marketing, go find offers for affiliate marketing and stuff and go that route. But you can also have your own products and services as well as you grow, or right off the bat, you can have that and crush it. So that's powerful for sure. Just don't forget that a lot of people make the mistake of not even having or picking a good offer and putting time into that, because it's what you're selling, it's what you're promoting, it's what you're making money from. So pick wisely, choose wisely. The next thing that people fail at for sure is not having a good marketing plan and a good strategy in place. of how to get traffic. So how do you get traffic? There's so many routes to this, it's insane. And there's even one advanced route I'll mention real quick before I get into the routes that are obvious. And the fundamentals are what makes money. And people get distracted from fundamentals often, from shiny object syndrome, and they screw it all up. They don't make money for that reason. But the fundamentals make money. But anyway, this advanced strategy is, let's say you make your own offer and you put it on an affiliate network such as Max Bounty or particularly ClickBank. You put it on ClickBank and you have affiliates promoting your offer. But then in the back end of your offer, you also are promoting other ClickBank offers and other affiliate offers of your own. That's a very powerful strategy because you don't have to do anything for traffic really, other than getting affiliates to promote the offer. And there's a lot of routes you can do for that. You can reach out to affiliates. You can DM affiliates that you find on Instagram or other social media sites. You can go into forums and groups and communities of affiliates. You can make content about affiliate marketing and say, promote this offer, it's great. That's how you can recruit affiliates. You just need to have a good offer to promote, for them to promote, and you can give them really high commission, and then you make a ton of profit in the back end from people converting on all these different offers you promote. Through an email sequence of a bunch of emails over time, promoting a bunch of offers. You can instantly have people redirected to an offer after they buy the one offer. You can give your affiliates 90% commission, you get 10%, but then you have a bunch of offers in the back end. You didn't do anything for traffic, they're doing the traffic. And you can crush it doing that. And so I highly recommend that strategy. It's freaking a genius strategy, but the fundamentals make money. And so have a good marketing strategy and plan in place and stick with it. And I have to say, one of the best ones for sure is take advantage of the biggest platforms in the world and also repurpose your content across the board. So YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, etc. I'd say those 4 are the best though. But if you just make content and repurpose that content, you're gonna make money. You're just gonna make money. It's just how it works every single time. Because the content adds up and it works for you 24/7. And when you're omnipresent across a lot of platforms, that's what that means, you're gonna make money. It becomes easier and easier and more passive. The content adds up, and if it's all linking to one offer, let's say, although I recommend have multiple offers, but if it links to one offer, you're gonna make money. You're gonna crush it. You're gonna be great. You're gonna be very happy with the results. And if you stay consistent with it, more money comes to you in increasing quantities from multiple sources on a continuous basis. It's very, very powerful stuff. Now, the third mistake to avoid to make money with affiliate marketing is, what is it? I'm sorry, I forgot, mainly because I blinked because I've been talking for a minute here. Oh yeah, this one's pretty serious. This one's pretty stinking serious, which is don't spam, yo. Just don't spam. And what's spamming, in my opinion, is literally going to social media sites where it's easy to just like message a lot of people, or to just straight up email blast people who don't know who you are at all. That's spamming. Or just spamming a bunch of content out there. Image content doesn't do well as video, and text, anything doing just text or a blog or writing in forums or comments or anything, none of that does as well as just making content and posting content that's videos. Seriously. And giving value is the farthest thing from spam in the world. And so I would say more people do the spamming mistake than anything, and they think it'll work, and it's a lazy route, when all you have to do is keep it simple and make content that's a video, kind of like this. You could do a video like I'm doing. It's really basic, but because I'm an expert at what I do, I don't feel like I have to go over the top at all. I've tried to go over the top several times, and it just doesn't work as well with the personal brand side of things. I'm an expert at what I know, and I might as well talk about what I know. And that's what you should do too for your content if you want to make money online, because that's how you make money online. It's just how it's done, is make content. There's other routes and other strategies I do, and you can check it all out. But my content on this YouTube channel, and then the Money Accelerator. The Money Accelerator, it's one of the best offers in the world, in my opinion, for if you want to make money, like by far. I can't think of anything better than it, because I've purchased basically everything out there and watched everything out there. And so I just know. And it's basically a huge combination of every program I've ever made. And then at the end of every month, I have a giveaway. I have a new massive program, new videos inside that just are like the best value I can think of giving you each month. And it'll always be increasing in the value inside, and the price will stay the same of $97 per month. And it's just, the value is insane. You'll make your money back for sure. You can be an affiliate for it and make your money back just being an affiliate. It converts super high. It's like not even a question. It's also a tax write-off for you too. It's like crazy because education is a tax write-off for you. And anyway, hopefully you just took this advice and don't forget it, because these are the mistakes people make. And if you want to make great passive income, affiliate marketing is great for it. I'm not trying to convince anyone to do affiliate marketing. If you're watching this, you probably already do affiliate marketing. But yeah, if you want to make money with affiliate marketing, don't make these mistakes. So thank you so much for watching, and peace out, learning machines. Peace.